Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2026 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD. Get a truck that's equipped to handle every job, whether it's hauling, towing, or creating a connected mobile office on the worksite. The Silverado 2500 HD has you covered. Take the high road. Get a truck that has all the power and technology you need and the comfort you deserve. Test drive the Silverado 2500 HD.